Your best people are learning AI on their own. When they realize their organization is not moving, they will leave for the one that is. AI is already absorbing the work of the middle management. Coordination, reporting, synthesis, escalation. That layer does not disappear overnight, but it shrinks fast. And if you do nothing, you will calcify. Your organization hardens the way things used to work while everything around it keeps moving. This is a systems change, a complete business transformation. You need to build the right frameworks now while you still have the luxury of time to course correct. Join me at the AI Fluency Lab, a small, hands-on workshop for founders, CEOs, and decision makers. We will cover where AI creates real business leverage, how your business becomes more visible in an AI-driven market, and how you lead through this shift without guessing. I'm also bringing 3 systems I built specifically for leaders navigating this shift. The first is the Thrive Stack framework. It's the strategy and diagnostic tool. It tells you exactly where your organization stands and what needs to move. The other 2 are classified. One covers intelligence, one covers execution. Together, these 3 systems take you from AI confusion to strategic clarity. 6 seats, leaders from different industries. 1 room, deep conversation, direct feedback, real answers. I built a short quiz that tells you whether you are the right fit and whether this is the right moment to make your move. Go to line10ai.com. I will drop the link below. Take your seat.